Hi, this is Mabel's Tables, and I just want to come to you with a short video on a fake cake, the Bible. Yes, I made the Bible out of a fake cake, or I made a fake cake Bible. I had so much fun doing this. I really truly enjoyed making this fake cake Bible. And you see the ridges there? Those are the pages. And on my binder, you will see on the binder that it has Bible. KBJ. This is a Bible that I made, fake cake Bible. And I tell you, it was so much fun. Look for the video coming to a YouTube channel to you very soon. This is Mabel's Table saying, if you put your mind to it, God will bless your thoughts and you can do anything and create anything if you just trust God and keep your mind focused on Him. Yes, a Bible fake cake. Mabel's Table saying, please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well, and that this is His world. And one more thing I must say, prayer changes things. Mabel's Tables saying adieu.